Welcome to this Hibernate Query Language HQL tutorial for beginner programmers. In this tutorial, we will be discussing what HQL is, its syntax, and how to use it in your Hibernate-based projects. Let's get started. What is HQL? Hibernate Query Language HQL is a powerful query language that allows you to query Hibernate-managed objects using Schleich syntax. HQL is similar to SQL, but is object-oriented and works with Hibernate's persistence objects rather than database tables. HQL queries are translated by Hibernate into SQL queries, making it easy to work with objects without worrying about the underlying database. HQL syntax. HQL is similar to SQL in terms of syntax, with a few differences. Here is the basic syntax for an HQL query. In this syntax, entity name is the name of the entity you want to query, and the condition is any condition you want to apply to the query. For example, if you wanted to query all the person objects in your database, where the name is John, your HQL query would look like this. HQL examples. Let's take a closer look at some common HQL queries. Querying all objects. Querying objects with a where clause. Querying objects with order by. Querying objects with projection. Wrapping up with. In this tutorial, you learned about Hibernate Query Language HQL, its syntax, and some common HQL queries. HQL can be a powerful tool in your Hibernate-based projects. Thanks for watching and happy coding!